Hello, welcome to the channel. Be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons. Today I'm unboxing my brand new Gold Apple Watch Series 7. I've also shared another unboxing video for the Black Graphite Apple Watch Series 7, so feel free to check that out after. So inside the box you receive the Apple Watch face, the Milanese strap and the charging cable. Although you get that magnetic fast charger to USB-C cable, the power adapter is not included. And unless you already have the plug adapter from one of the new iPhone to iPads, you're definitely going to want to make sure you remember to buy that as part of your purchase, since otherwise you're not going to be able to do much with your new Apple Watch until you have one. In terms of this specific model, I've got here the 45mm stainless steel Apple Watch case, the larger of the two sizes on offer, as there is also a 41mm option. I've also chosen the Gold Milanese Loop strap, but again there are other options with either a silver or black watch strap. I have separate videos on the channel for how the different Milanese straps look on the wrist, and in terms of more technical details about the Series 7, I've covered those in the Graphite Apple Watch Series 7 unboxing video, so be sure to check out those videos if you're interested. Thanks for watching, and as always, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video.